guys, so we're playing around with this RS3000 or the NX9, and we're shifting on a still scene between the 8K E-shift, and I didn't think it was going to be that noticeable, but I'm going to take a video of it and hopefully you guys can see. The customer also has some stills he took on a high-res Nikon that he's going to send over to me, just to really show you guys how much of a difference it makes. This is with it on. Look at this guy's face. This is with it off.
Do the
This looks better than the Xbox.
It does.
Yeah, that looks good.
That's sad. That's coming off my phone.
Oh
That's
my
ridiculous.
God.
Yeah, dude.
Holy cow. That is...
Jeez.
That's much better than
Wow.
It's a Chromecast, guys. I mean,
Holy cow, man.
this Chromecast is currently set up to only play in stereo, which is probably why it sounds a little off. Because this is what I used to stream, lossless audio to this TV. And here,
Oh, I see.
and this whole house is on an enterprise network, but I don't actually have access to it.
It's a ubiquity one, right?
Yeah, I haven't set it all myself.
Oh, no, nice.
It's pretty incredible.
Yeah,
This is beautiful.
Right. I mean, we have videos of like the 295 and 695 with this, and thousands and thousands.
Yeah, no,
I just hope that
this
they
is
can tell the
mind-blowing.
difference in it on YouTube and stuff.
That is unbelievable.
I mean, that's
Look at that. Oh my God.
It's taking it still. It's good. Trying to find the right spot to pause it.
it doesn't look real.
That's pretty crazy. There's just way too much detail in that
And it's
picture.
like in motion too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we just paused the YouTube 8K video, like,
Dude, look at the
holy
color.
cow, man. That is awesome.
It's funny because you can
I
pick,
see what she ate for dinner last night.
but you can pick up little things like the fibers on her
I
on
know.
her shirt. And
I know.
Man,
everything
look
like
at just how detailed her hair is.
that. Yeah. Well, and like stuff like this, you would expect to be blurry, you
Mhm,
know,
Yeah.
and it's perfectly clear on YouTube.
On YouTube, yeah.
It is.
Wow.
Well, guys, if you don't, we're telling you the truth here. This is awesome. Definitely.
You need this
Definitely worth
in
it.
your life.
I'm glad we got to see it now.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thanks for sharing.
No
with
problem,
us.
man. No
That
problem.
was awesome. All right, guys, check it out. This is the 135-inch Slate from SI, the 1.2 game. Zero Edge Pro. This turned out beautiful. Long day. We were actually super excited about the 8K. So we've spent some time here hanging out with the customer and demoing stuff. But we love this stuff, so it's all worth it. So you guys know we're in business to sell stuff. If you would like to purchase any of these products, make sure you give us a call. This 8K projector, this 8K E-shift is worth it all day. We're gonna upload content to show you guys examples of, with the E-shift on, with the E-shift off. If you would like to purchase the SI screen or JVC projectors, give us a call, shoot us an email. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. and subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.